Hi guys, Ron, Take Tips, Take Stuff. I live in Calgary, and just saying here, if you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes. There's snow on the ground, sun in the sky, but there's clouds and they're calling for rain. Can you believe it? And according to my calculations, it's almost 5 minutes. Watch this. Hi, welcome to Take Tips and Take Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a new Vegas Pro 16 tutorial on how to make it rain. On the intro, you've seen me introducing myself and showing it rain. I need a lapel mic really bad because it's pretty hard to understand me because the mic didn't really pick it up that well on my phone. So a lapel pin mic is in order. So here I'm going to show you how to make it rain. So here we have a download from Production Crate. I'll put a link in the description where you can get this from. So I have my video on my timeline. Let's insert a video track. And this is an MPEG-4 4K file, so it's a real big file. So what you do here is find out where you want to have this. If you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes. There's snow on the ground, sun in the sky, but there's clouds and they're calling for rain. Can you believe it? And according to my calculations, it's almost 5 minutes. Watch this. Put on pause, but M for marker. Let's go rain. Let's drag the clip to the timeline. Now this is an MPEG-4 file, not an MOV file. Yesterday I did an upload on Movie Studio 16, where it's an MOV file. And what you would do, you would right click on it, go to properties, and straight unmatted. But with that MPEG-4 file, what you have to do is you have to go to compositing mode and select screen. And watch what happens here now. Let's fade this in. It's not so abrupt. Now begins to rain. And you can make this rain more intense. If you want to add another track, another video track, bring another copy in. Pause mode, screen. You get a more intense rain if you want. It's coming down downpour, torrential rain. So I added a sound effect too. And I'm not sure where I got the sound effect from. I probably bought these about 10 years ago. We'll add it down here. So basically that's all you have to do is make it rain in Vegas Pro 16. This will not work in Movie Studio. You need Vegas Pro because you don't have all the compositing modes. In Vegas 16 you have custom, add, subtract, all these. But in Movie Studio you just have multiply mask and source alpha. So that's a problem with Movie Studio. You don't have all the different compositing modes. So basically that's all I have to do to make it rain in Vegas Pro 16. I'll put a link in the description where you can download this rain from. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.